When you're looking at the screen, Windows 7 looks more or less as you're used to with XP. Icons and fields may look a little different, but most icons and buttons are in their usual place and the screen has the same background color. This video will now show you some of the more important information you'll need to get started using Windows 7. It is easy to find your files and programs with the new Search Programs and Files feature. You will see where Internet Explorer is, how to launch Lotus Notes, and how to add a printer. The log-on screen looks a little different, but it works as you are used to in XP. Logging on takes a little longer the very first time you log on, because the computer needs to configure your personal settings. Your documents and Internet Explorer favorites are not available the very first time you log on. To get those, you need to log off and back on again. You may have to log off and log on twice. When you have logged on, you will see this new icon on the desktop. When you double-click on the icon, you will open the Windows 7 help site, where you will find guides and help on how to use your Windows 7 workstation. The desktop has not changed much, and most buttons are where they used to be. When you click on the Start button or use the Windows key on your keyboard, you open the Start menu. To the left, you will find the installed programs. In the upper left, you will find the programs you use most. When you log on for the first time, this area is empty, but it will fill up automatically as you use your programs. On the bottom left, you can see all installed programs by clicking on All Programs. To the right, you'll find your documents, music, pictures, and computer settings. When you open the Start menu, you can use the Search Programs and Files field to search your computer for programs and files matching what you have typed in the search field. You can find Lotus Notes in the Start menu either by looking under All Programs or by using the search function as just described. When you type Notes in the search field, you can see that Notes appear among the results. Click on Notes to launch it. The first time you launch Notes, it takes a little longer. Follow the instructions on the screen and Notes will configure itself. When configuring Notes is done, it will close and start again. In future log-ons, Notes will start automatically. A quick way to launch the programs you use often is to pin them to the taskbar or the Start menu. If, for instance, you want quick access to Notes, right-click on the Lotus Notes icon. This will give you two options in the menu. Pin to Start menu. This makes Notes appear permanently in the top of the Start menu. Pin to Taskbar, and this places a Notes shortcut on the taskbar. Internet Explorer is already pinned to the taskbar. You can, however, find it under All Programs in the Start menu as well. The first time you start Internet Explorer, it needs to set up Portal. Follow the instructions that appear on the screen, and if you get the question, do you want to install any plugins? Select Yes. You will find your various drives like C, H, and I by clicking on the libraries icon. The drives contain your documents. Documents are saved on the H drive automatically. Music, pictures, and video files are saved on the C drive. They are not replicated to the H drive. The I drive with department files is also found here. You also need to add a printer to your workstation. To do that, open the Start menu by using the Start button or the Windows key on your keyboard. Type Add Printer in the search field and select the Add Printer program. You will find help and guides to the most used task on the help side, such as Add Printer, connect with VPN if you have a laptop, change screen resolution and layout, set up a headset, and tips and tricks. Now you have seen the most important changes in Windows 7. We hope you'll enjoy your new Windows 7 workstation.